Hi everyone, today we are going to see how can we get blank home screen on iPhone. Let me show you how to get that without any app or hiding any slides or like hiding any home screen. For that we need to we'll start now. Okay, I'll show you that now. Before that I'll remove this screen first. Okay, now I don't have any empty screen here. For that first you need to install any app you can install. Like I'm installing this thing. Installing this. We'll wait until installation. Okay, we don't need to open that. Don't need to open or do nothing with that app. We are just use that app to create one empty space. Okay, for that go to your app library, long press on that app and click on at home screen. You will get this on here. Slightly move to new slide. Okay, then click on done. So you'll get that app on another slide. After that you need to edit home layout and click on the dots below there and just drag that layout into front and click on done. After that you can remove this app. So we can get that empty layout now. Like you can see that this empty layout. That's it. Thank you.